So you got a trip coming up that has multiple theme nights and you are convinced that there is no way you're going to be able to fit all of your outfits into a carry-on bag. Well, I'm here to help you dispel that myth.
Some people have been asking for it since I returned back from the 7-day voyage on Virgin Voyages with Melanin at Sea 2.5 from San Juan. You guys want to know how I traveled with multiple wardrobe changes with one carry-on bag and one personal item. I haven't even had a chance to unpack these bags, so I'm going to unpack the bag so you guys can see exactly how much stuff I was able to I managed to fit into these bags. And forgive me, because I'm not going to go back and edit this. It's just going to be what it is, all right? Now, I will say that repacking on the ship was different than it was when I initially packed the bag. Some things, like the gowns, are in this bag, whereas the gowns were in this bag before. But the concept is still the same. I'm going to get into it. I'm going to show you just how much I was able to carry in both these bags.
I'm here to help you save time, money, and most of all, save some space in that bag. I'm going to show you guys a new technique that you probably hadn't seen before.
Stay tuned for a full demonstration. I have been known to be an overpacker, and I know a lot of us overpack. I'm going to give you the key to not overpacking. The key to not overpacking is it's a little tedious, but it's going to save you in the end. Trip is, let's say, it's 7 days, right? And you have a swimsuit for the day, you have a cocktail party, and then you have something that's comfortable maybe for the nightclub and the casino, right? And just say, hey, I'm going to have 3 outfits a day. That's just me. I may have 4 a day. And I need some comfortable clothes. I always keep the footwear in this bag along with toiletry items and makeup. Let's just get into it, y'all. I'm not going to bore you. So we're going to start, like I said, I haven't unpacked yet. I swear to you, the only thing I've taken out was my wet washcloths. I cannot tell a lie. I had to go into this bag to take my makeup out, okay? So I put the makeup back in just for this packing purposes, but here we go. And another thing, when you're doing footwear, you want to take a pair of shoes that are comfortable and neutral, that you can wear with multiple things so you don't have to change out if you don't want to. But this is one pair of shoes. 3 pairs. Slippers and shower shoes, and that's 1, 2. I have to be honest with you, this was my very first time traveling with the vacuum seal bags. So it's all new to me. I had to figure it out, make it work for me. And it's not so much about paying for a bag. For me, it's about the time it takes. I have to get to the airport extra 45 minutes to an hour before to drop off the bags. Then I gotta pay for the bags in some cases. And then once I get where I'm going, I gotta go downstairs and stand online and watch my bags go round and round. That's like another 45 minutes. No, I wanna save time. My little Melanin at Sea passport holder. This is my toiletry bag. Phone protector. Y'all gonna be sick of me because this bag is full. Body oil. This is custom body oil I made in New Orleans, y'all. Some Party Smart, which didn't really help me this time, I'm being honest with you. Some room freshener. Oh Lord. Okay, more Q-tips, razor, and some hair ties, twist ties for your hair. Another Melanin at Sea bracelet so we can be identified. Let me go ahead and put that on. Like a mess up in here. Okay. Adhesive bra, some medication, some more recording equipment. and a measuring tape just in case the people at the ticket counter want to get funny style and think that my bag is too big. I'll whip that out. So that's something you guys may want to take note of. All right, so here we go. These are some gowns. Oh, here are my magnets. And yeah, so that's that. I'm missing. I wonder if I left my shoes. I'm thinking I left my shoes. I am missing a copper pair of sandals and the black ones. I wonder if. I hope they're in there, Lord, please. These are just three of the gowns. Let's see, my motto is to get it as thin as you possibly can. Yes, this is 3 gowns. The red gown from Scarlet Night, the gold gown from We Fancy, and then this is the Melanin at Sea gown here on the outside. Yeah, so I managed to get 3 gowns in this bag. My thing is, just get it as flat as you can. And like before, I had it laid in this one, and I overlapped the bags like so. But I found that coming back, I didn't feel like doing all that struggling, to be honest with you. So for me, it was easier just to make it flat. It was flatter than this. Okay, so you guys can see that what I'm saying is the truth. Y'all saw me unpack the bag. Oh shoot, that's not the Melanin at Sea gown, is it? No, I'm sorry. This is not the Melanin at Sea gown. This is another gown that I wore, I think the day we did Curacao. I don't know if anybody saw this dress. That's one. Toss it to the side. Everybody's seen the Scarlet Night dress, right? Think y'all sick of me? But it is what it is. Alright. I'm missing 2 pairs of shoes. Black sandals and copper color sandals. Where my daggone sandals? Scarlet dress. And the We Fancy one, y'all know, came with a train. And this was like most difficult. So my thing is just try to get the items as flat as you can before you release the air. There you go. All right, that's that one bag. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of clear this table. I'll just stop to make sure the camera's safe. Another pair of shoes. Oh well, where the black ones now? Oh, here they are. Pair of shoes. So what's the 8 in total? 8. Just the empty bags. I don't know what was in there. Right. The aqua socks. I didn't count those, did I? And then I wore sneakers. So technically 9 pairs of footwear. Girl, you're doing the most. This is the bigger tripod. This is the manual pump I was telling you guys about. It gets the job done, all right? Gotta have that Vaseline for those legs. Got my little hair gel, or what's left of it. And this is my little camera that was on that tripod. It usually goes on my head like this. But yeah, I fit all of this in my bag. Y'all see all of that? Okay, so the bag is now officially empty. I'm about to open up these bags. And the good thing about it is I had Deep Blue. And with Deep Blue, they washed my clothes for me. So I came home with all these clean clothes. Yes, indeed. Won't you do it? All right. So that's one dress. Oh, okay, now we gotta get this done. Cause a girl is tired. Do your own editing. It's a lot. I need somebody. So if y'all creators out there, y'all know people that do this type of stuff, please just send them my way, cause I'm tired. Yeah, just undergarments and my other shirt. Now you will be wrinkles, I don't know what, so keep that in mind. But that's why you have some wrinkle release and the steamer. All right, Rhonda, let's get it together. Get it together. As eyes tied. All right. Messy. Just gonna put this on the ground. I don't even want to see it. All right, and this is a sweat belt. Go around here. More undergarments, and y'all, I came back with more than I left with, because I bought this cute little number while we were in Martinique. Not, I was gonna say St. Kitts, but Martinique. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute. Yes, indeed. I know y'all ain't get to see it on, but it's cute. So I actually came back with more stuff, because not only did I come back with this, I came back with my swag bag full of stuff, bra straps, my other passport holder. Y'all, it's gonna take some time for this stuff to reinflate. Ooh, okay. And more undergarments. And I travel with my own sheets. Own sheets, own washcloths. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, I got so much stuff. And I'm not done yet. Okay. Y'all wanna know how I do it, how she do it. Alright. This is another swimsuit piece with socks. Another top, more undergarments. This is the pajama party outfit. Lord have mercy. This is a swimsuit cover up. This is a set of pajamas. This is a cover up for that brown for the Melanin at Sea Day photo. No socks. I don't even know. I think it might be maybe 6 pair of socks in there. I don't know. But I like to get everything as flat as possible. And gold cover up. Where's the other part, honey? Swimsuit and the gold cover up. Y'all see this mess? And another gold. This is really, I did a lot of planning. This is the only thing I did not wear throughout that voyage. Everything else was worn. Because I did the math. I took the time, figured out the outfits. Y'all, this is a mess. Shirt, swimsuit bottom, swimsuit cover up, swimsuit top, brace for my carpal tunnel from editing, a lightweight jacket. You always want a lightweight jacket on a cruise. More undergarments, another pair of faux leather pants, pleather. Okay, another pair of pleather pants. But we're still not done. We still are not done, but I managed to fit this mountain of clothes in a carry-on bag. Only me, honey, only me. More adhesive bras, more undergarments. Okay, and this is the other gown. Lord, I was like, where's my dress? All right, y'all. That's the other dress. And all right, y'all. I hope y'all learned something today.
Here comes your demonstration.
Lord have mercy, y'all. I'm tired. Y'all don't even know. All right, I'm tired. So you kind of want to get it as flat as you can get it. This is how the bag looks before I reduce it. Okay. And I'm gonna do this one because it's more powerful to me and it takes less time than the electric one. But you saw how small the electric one is. So the object ideally would be this thing, not that side. Ideally, to get it like thin, thin, thin. And then you just layer them on top of each other inside your bag. I'll be on the lookout for about 7 more videos from that last cruise we went on. Just take some time. I need some time to edit. All right, but in the meantime, you guys can go check out my Spirit video where I'm packing like 97 articles in a bag, and then you get to see all the toiletry items and stuff that I actually placed in this bag in that video. And also check out the last Virgin voyage on the Scarlet Lady. All right, guys, until next time. Toodles.